Again, this is the Grand Estate. Please make yourself welcome. We have 6 bedrooms in here. All for non-sexual romping. One
Beautiful.
queen bed, king
Is that
bed,
a bathroom?
queen bed. I believe so. What do we have here? Don't closet. So
It's a
would
big
be,
closet.
Yeah, this would be the only room
Without a bathroom.
without a bathroom that we've seen. Still in the putting together stages. We're at Anderson's Horseshoe Bay Resort.
Hallway. Spacious.
Hallway. Huge storage. 2 more huge bedrooms, queen and singles in here.
With a bathroom.
With the bathroom.
And the bathroom.
And another.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Nice big bedroom.
Nice big one.
With the bathroom again.
Plenty of spacious room for everybody to enjoy. The dining room. For all of our card playing. Perhaps a little fun at the bar.
Who doesn't love the bar? Fireplace.
And the water. Little breakfast nook. And kitchen.
Yes.
We have 2 refrigerators. We'll have another refrigerator here. We'll have lots of room for all of our food. And another bathroom. And last, oh no, 2 more bedrooms. I think these are going to be single king rooms, is what she was saying. There we go. All of them with locking keys.
And
then
the bridal
suite.
suite. Nice big bridal suite. Nice big bathroom. Shower.